They're just like parts catalog ordering places. They don't carry stock. They don't carry parts or supplies. They're gonna open up the catalog and they're gonna say, oh, you want that? That's gonna take 8 weeks to get here, blah, blah, blah. Those shops can go screw themselves. Hey, welcome back to Gears and Tech. This is part 2 of our 2-part video series, the tour that we took when we went to Edmonton to pick up the body kit for our CRX project. If you haven't seen that video, I will put the link in the description. So you'll remember in that last video, we had gone to pick up a Black Widow body kit for our CRX project, and the individual that I bought it from happened to work at a custom tuning shop in Edmonton, Alberta, and he was gracious enough to give us a tour of that tuning shop. I had no idea what to expect. I didn't know this guy. I only met him through the channel and he had reached out to me, and I'm glad that he did. If you're watching this video, I'm extremely appreciative of our experience going through the shop because I was in heaven. It was awesome. I was trying to contain my excitement because it's been a long time since I've been that close to those cars. It was a really fun experience for me. I think that you will enjoy this experience. If you like Japanese cars or even European cars, there's a few Euro cars in there, you will love to see kind of what's going on. This isn't a high production video. It's just me walking around with a camera saying, what's that? What's that? What's that? But it was really exciting. There's a lot of great gems in there. So I hope you enjoy this. Hey, before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you have been to this channel at least one time before, that means that this is your second time and you are still not subscribed. Obviously, you're enjoying this content. Obviously, YouTube wants you to see this content because you're seeing it again. We have a lot of return visitors, but we're not getting the subscribers like we hoped we would. We're counting on you to subscribe so we can make better content. So, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell. This algorithm will just get blown out of the water and it'll just tell the whole world, I like this video. And with that, let's get back to the content. hopefully you caught the excitement for all of the cars, and there's a lot of really great cars in there, a lot of really great projects that they're working on. I would love to one day have a shop similar to what they have. And unfortunately, he was telling me about how hard it's getting to run a tuner shop at all. And Edmonton's not a small city, it's big. They've got over 1 million people in Edmonton. And even in a city with over 1 million people, it's just so hard because online business is killing these shops, because guys can just buy knockoff parts out of China on Amazon or eBay and they're installing them themselves. Or he said that guys were bringing them cheap Chinese parts and they were saying, yeah, can you please put this on for me? And they're like, we don't want to. And they're like, it's okay, it's okay. And then they'd put it on, it would break, and then they'd talk bad about the shop. And that drives the name down for the shop. When I was there, the quality and workmanship that they put into those cars is amazing. There is a lot of care and attention put into the work that they do. And I can tell you that they actually are true tuners who love the community. They're not just guys trying to make some money. You saw, they're there on a weekend working on cars, trying to get them going because they have a true passion for those cars and for that community. If you're watching this video, let's try and keep this tuner scene alive. Let's try and keep the shops going. Support your local shops. And I'm not just talking about, like, don't come to Calgary and buy parts in Calgary because that's where I am. I'm saying go to your local shop. Find the parts that you want and support them. I know a lot of them, they're just like parts catalog ordering places. They don't carry stock. They don't carry parts or supplies. So you go in, they're gonna open up the catalog and they're gonna say, oh, you want that? That's gonna take 8 weeks to get here, blah, blah, blah. Those shops can go screw themselves. And I hope that's not the new model of how things are done, but the true shops that fabricate stuff, that actually bring your car in and actually build stuff for your car, one-off builds where they do custom work. Those are the shops you want to watch out for, and you want to actually look for them and support them so they can stay in business, because this whole industry, this whole scene is dying without those shops. That's all I wanted to cover today. I hope you really enjoyed that tour of the shop. Don't forget to check out our other videos over here. We do have a lot of great content in the back library. There's a lot more content coming up. This has been Gears and Tech. Until next time, have a great day.